Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Audiolab weekly settings. In this list, you click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above here, we search about Audiolab and you click. Here in this page of App Info, you click on First Stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter the storage. Here we click on Clear Cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.